I'm really excited to see the impact generative AI can have as it gets used more and more in the applications that you as an AI engineer, developer, or IT leader will build for your company. Hi, I'm Pratik Verma. I'm the founder and CEO of Okahu. Really excited to share what we're doing at Okahu to help you improve your AI applications by observing them in action in a unified way across the entire workload. Here's a typical AI workload. Your engineering teams build lots of different AI-enabled applications using some common components like OpenAI, LangChain, NVIDIA, Triton, and other services in the cloud. Okahu is a software platform that observes your entire AI workload, all of the apps and the components these apps use or run on, to understand how to make it work better. Okahu discovers what components your apps use and how they work together, and then observes how they run to learn what impacts reliability, performance, or any other aspect of running AI that you care about in order to help you understand if there's a problem, and then ultimately to help you improve your AI. Monitoring AI is quite difficult. There are many different components and different ways to monitor each portion. Even after all these tools are in place, you need to collect, scrub, and stitch logs across them, and then run custom analytics on it to add your business context. In a nutshell, you either lose the big picture or spend lots of energy integrating different monitoring tools. In contrast, Okahu gives you a complete picture by connecting all of the observations across the components, and then the big picture by relating these observations to your reliability, performance, and other goals so you can get insights on how to make improvements. In a nutshell, Okahu makes it simple for you to proactively observe your entire AI workload with a complete big picture understanding of how to make AI work better for you without the hassles of custom integration or log analysis. Is there an observation or system you want us to support? Give us feedback. Check out our demo. Learn more at www.okahu.ai.